steamed fish. That's what we're making today. Yes, you heard it, Taiwanese steamed fish. So, Jamaican steamed fish is one of the best in the world. We all know that. But listen, this is some washed fish already, washed with some vinegar and everything, and clean. The moment I tried Taiwanese steamed fish, it was something else. I know probably people are gonna watch this video and say, sure, that tastes not like Jamaican steamed fish. But let me tell you something, man. If you try this, you'll say something else. A lot of times we get Asian food in Jamaica, but guess what? If you ask me, I'm not gonna say it's very authentic as when you have it in Asia. As somebody who live in Taiwan and experience it, I can tell you that it's something unique and different and very, very tasty, and it's so simply made. But as I tell you, what we understand with most Asian food is the technique. So for instance, we have these 2 slices of fish here, right? We're gonna make some steamed fish. So all we need is ginger. You see I'm slicing here? These couple slices of ginger right here. Alright, so ginger, we have that, ginger. We have these, right? Alright, so look at this now. This here, see? Fermented black beans. Just a little bit of this, not too much. Yo, this is very tasty, you know, and this is nice. This can make it like some ribs and everything. One day I'm gonna show you the ribs, black bean ribs. That no need no much more than that. Alright. Look how simple this is now. I tell you, this is so tasty. I tell you, this steamed fish here. Nice. What are this roll? Everything is so unique. Different places are. This is 1 spoon. So I put half over there, so, and half over here, so, and this fish. Trust the process. Trust the process. Alright, that's all you need, you know. That's so. And these gingers on it. You're gonna steam the fish like this. And after the fish is finished steaming now, you're gonna cut these up into small slices, which I will show you soon. Get the oil hot as possible and then pour it over the fish. And it's an amazing taste. So in the meantime, let's put this in the rice cooker and steam the fish. 1 cup of water in this one. Put it in this one. Put the lid on. Because you're gonna have it on top later. Steam that. While the fish is being steamed, I'm going to prepare the one thing I was scallion. I'm glad for, man. I got the opportunity to explore and see a lot of different cuisine and culture, and adapting and trying to learn and incorporate them in my everyday life. So it's easy to cut them like that to go on the fish later. Because we have Jamaica, we have Chinese food in Jamaica. I can't lie about that, but when I tried it there and compared to when we say Asia, so if you're not good to say don't say nothing, don't. So we're not going to say nothing, you can stay away there. That's for another day, another story. Yeah, but I tell you, if you find Asian food, my Asian food is very unique. Asian food is not bag of season or nothing like that. It's just simple ingredients, but guess what? The techniques that you use to make it, that's what counts in Asian food. So now we just use this. Yeah, after learning, that's what I figured out. Simple ingredients, but just how you incorporate them when you use them and how you use them make the dish nice and tasty and authentic. So you think about Asian food, you think about technique, time when you use it, the herbs and the flame. That has a lot to do with it. So fish are steamed, this there's our weight. So the fish is ready now. Let's see. Wow, look at that. What's gonna happen now? So you see the fish is finished steaming. Here's the kicker now. So that's the cake. This is the icing. So we're gonna add these on top of here now. And then you know what? I'm just gonna take these out. Put it on the side right here. That's the pot I'm putting the oil in. It's a very big pot. So I'm gonna put it right there. This is the magic. See that? That's the kicker. See? Locked in now. So I'm just gonna let that sit there. All that flavor absorbed in the fish and everything. Seal the deal. So the fish has been sitting here for a while now. So let's check to see now. Oh man, that smells amazing. Just look at that. It's that different kind of steamed fish. This is Taiwanese style steamed fish. Look at that. And as I told you before, it's simple. It's just a technique. Because for us steamed fish, we just put the herbs in the pot or stir fry them, and then we just had the fish and cover it with sometimes we had a little bit of the cock soup or something like those. But as I said, it's nice to try different things. And also remember, if you're watching this video, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and also try this recipe at home. Try it and then you come back and tell me what you think about it. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out. So the fish has been sitting here for a while now. So let's check to see now. Oh man, that smells amazing. Just look at that. It's that different kind of steamed fish. This is Taiwanese style steamed fish. Look at that. And as I told you before, it's simple. It's just a technique. Because for us steamed fish, we just put the herbs in the pot or stir fry them, and then we just had the fish and cover it with sometimes we had a little bit of the cock soup or something like those. But as I said, it's nice to try different things. And also remember, if you're watching this video, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and also try this recipe at home. Try it and then you come back and tell me what you think about it. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.